What's up, guys? Today I'm ripping my second box of Panini Prizm Target exclusive with the pink auto and the pink mem. Get one per box. Let's check it out. Alright, got the packs here inside. Check it out. Let's start from top to bottom. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs. The last rip, I ripped pink, the auto, and then the mem. So let's see if that's how they set it up again this time. Zach Ertz, Funches, Devin Funches, Jameis Crab-Eaten Winston, pink, McLeod in the first pack. Second pack. With Joey Bosa, Jimmy Graham, former Seahawk, former Saint, and a pink Carlos Hyde. Finishing off with a Marquise Valles I can't even say that dude's name. Rookie from the Green Bay Packers. Sorry about the pronunciation on that one. Alright. Quincy Unwa. Got that one right. Eric Whittle. Pink Mike Hodges. And a nice Hall of Fame insert of Jason Taylor. This guy was a stud. This should be the auto. Mike Evans. Von Miller. And the auto is Deshaun Hand for the Lions. There we go. Very cool looking cards. Finishing off with a Ferguson, rookie, Tampa Bay. And our last pack will be our mem card. McCourty, Ingram, and it's going to be a Caron Johnson mem card. Alright. And Joshua Jackson to finish it off. So we got our one insert, Jason Taylor. Very cool. Our auto was of Mr. Hand. Our pinks were Hodges, Hyde, and Winston, I apologize. And then Johnson was our mem card. Alright guys, well that was my second box of Panini Prizm Target exclusive with the pink auto and pink mem. As always guys, thanks for stopping by and take care.